What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am super happy because if you guys remember my last video when I showed the clothing, I was showing that end cap of clearance. Well, guess what, you guys, all of the K-Swiss sweats are ringing up $1 in my store. The K-Swiss sweatshirts are $1. We have the men's active shirts are $1. Now these are just items that I personally wanted to get, that I had the cashier scan. We have the girls pajamas. You guys, this is all hidden clearance. I have a bunch of candy in here also for TikTok. You guys already know what I do over there, and I need a lot of candy to melt and cook, and also things for the cotton candy stash because I'm going to get back to making cotton candy again as well. But these are $1. There's another one over there that says Fierce. That's also $1. $1, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm buying a bunch of sweats. I know Gator will be able to wear them. I might even wear a pair. Yeah, you guys, we have lots and lots of really nice deals. I didn't have any of these items scanned, but if you guys see anything that you want, just get it scanned. I think this set over here, I don't know. I'm not going to assume anything else is $1 because I really don't know. I had a bunch of stuff scanned, and some items were ringing up regular price and some were ringing up just $1. But yeah, you guys, I wanted to check out what they had over here. Candles. Looks like candles are pretty popular in this location. Looks like we have a little warmer with some oils. And then over here we have a bunch of shoes and slides. I was hoping to find some dollar shoes over here because this location typically has a lot of dollar shoes, but I don't know, maybe they sold them all out. We still have boots. Definitely have things scanned that look out of season because they could potentially be $1 as well. These are so cute. I don't know why I'm so in love with this pair. It's just super cute. It's like stretchy right here. These are $8. I just think it's the cutest pair of shoes. Any dollar shoes that you know of?
Not that I'm aware of.
No?
Not this time, no.
Okay.
Scan those NBA socks.
Oh yeah, let's go scan the socks. I put them back on the end cap. Right. Yeah. Any set.
Nope, they're still regular price.
Regular, and then these ones are all $1, but these are the separates, right? Like the thermal tops.
Yeah, those are.
And then you have some of the bottoms too, I noticed.
Yep, those are coming up as $1.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Anything else that might be $1? Any other socks or? Can we scan some of the girly colors right here? That pink set, ones? Yeah. These
are regular price.
Regular? Okay. Yeah, a lot of those look new.
Yeah, a lot of this is the new stock we just got. Those are regular prices.
Regular? Well, thank you so much. Yep, appreciate it. Yeah, you guys, if there's something you want, definitely have it scanned because it could be lower than marked. It might be just regular price, but if you guys see like these sets, like if I was in the market for these, I would definitely have these scanned. And then I know that these came out around the same time, the Crayola socks. So I would definitely have those scanned if that's something you're interested in. And then I think I might have just found more clearance clothes over here, possibly. Oh yeah. We have the Notorious B.I.G. Anything that has the orange tag on it, these could potentially be $1 as well. I'll have to fix that. We have some shorts over here. Sweats. Definitely have the sweats scan. We have lounge pants. These are very similar items to what we found over at the end cap. Ooh, I found another pair of K-Swiss joggers. So I'm going to take those because those are $1. Space Jam. More sweats. Yeah, you guys, I have a feeling that a lot of these are going to be $1. Okay, where did that hanger go? So I can hang this back up. How about these? I know these Crayola socks.
Hey, these are $1.
$1?
Yep.
Yes, $1. Woohoo! Hidden clearance.
We have a few winter boots still over here somewhere.
Awesome. What about these?
So yeah, all these ones with the fluff on them are only $1.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Thank you.
Yep.
And how about the little Crayola hats?
I don't foresee those going down much in price. Anything like this
They're
usually.
probably popular.
Oh, actually, this is all penny marked. I can't even sell it.
Really?
When it's penny marked, that means there's a defect in it, and I have to destroy it.
Oh,
Really? All of the socks?
So I'll check
Look,
the
there's
rest of it.
so many. Can we check this one? I'll buy them for
Okay,
a penny.
So apparently, it's just the hat. Thank God.
Just the hats
How's
are
that
$1?
there? No, these are penny marked, which means I have to get rid of them.
Okay.
The rest of the Crayola is coming up as regular price.
Can you check that for me? They have a retail value of $15.
Oh, hey, they're on sale for $5.
$5? Okay.
Yep. So anything marked as 15 is only 5.
Okay, and can you scan some of these for me?
I'm pretty sure those are going to be discounted too, with them being the wintry boots. $1.
Yes. And what about these guys? I'm just going to assume all the boots are $1, but
Yeah, anything winter boot is probably going to be $1. Yep, $1 there too.
oh yes,
So
woo!
anything winter booty type looking is going to be $1.
Okay, and how about one last thing? I keep just finding more. How about
Real quick before I forget.
slippers?
There must have been a defect in these. That's $4.
Yes, thank you.
There's more of these hats over here.
All right.
If there's any more of these. Oh, there are.
Okay, I lied. I found one more set of slippers I'm possibly interested in when you get a second.
Yeah, I just gotta have all these. So if something ever comes up that's penny marked in our system, that means there's a defect in the product.
Oh.
Then we have to get rid of it immediately.
oh.
Oh, you guys have some masks over here too. How about
I've been stuck.
oh no.
Of course, I dropped all for one. But
Yeah, that's me too sometimes.
Okay, so all these have to be destroyed. Okay.
Okay, how about these two?
The masks are not going to be on sale.
They're not.
Those are $1.
Yes.
Yeah,
And the masks, are they 7 or 10? Can you
They
scan
are
one
10.
for me? They're 10?
Yeah. Yep, $10.
10. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yep.
So much.
Yep.
All right. Now it's time to look at some shoes. Okay, you guys, let's see. What can I find that I might want for $1? $1 boots. Even if you just wear them around the house,
Well, yeah.
they're perfect.
I got a pair like that. I
Do
have to
you?
wear 'em out in the snow one,
Yeah.
you know. And they're not waterproof though,
No.
so I didn't wear them when there was a lot of snow. Just enough.
Yeah. Just a little something.
Yeah.
So yeah, you guys, these are $1. These are normally, I don't even know how much these normally were, but $1. Also $1. These $15 boots, $1. Wow, you guys. Wow. We have other boots up here. Those are probably going to be $1. So exciting. I found more slippies. More slippy pippies. More slipper pippers. These little ones, but they don't really have a sole to them. These little ones, $1. Exciting. What size are these anyways? Let's see. A size 10. Bigger than I normally wear, but these would probably be pretty comfy for around the house. Wow, you guys. These are the little ballet flat slippers. A medium, an extra large, another medium. I'm gonna figure out what I wanna get, what slippers I wanna get. I'm definitely getting all the sweats. I'm getting pajamas. I also have some $1.95 laundry items. If you use the Family Dollar app, you can get these for $1.95 this week. There's a variety of all and snuggle products that you can get if you use the Family Dollar app. I also have some candy in here. These are also on clearance. I think these are like $2. So yeah, you guys, I'm just having so much fun in here today. But what a great deal, you guys. $1 hidden clearance for a $15 pair of boots. You could just get them and have them as a backup pair of boots for next year, or you could get them and donate them to a women's shelter or whatever you'd like to do to your local school. I mean, someone would definitely be happy to have a brand new pair of boots. We even have these brown ones here, you guys. We have options, so don't forget to ask for your cashier to scan these items, because these items are just sitting here on the shelf, all hidden clearance, waiting for you to take them home. If you guys enjoyed shopping with me, please consider subscribing, and also check out my Family Dollar playlist. I also have a Walmart playlist and a Dollar Tree playlist, since I know you guys love the deals. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.